Welcome back to Foundry. Today we're going to take a look at the boiler and steam turbine and see if we can create power from that instead of the burners that we're burning ignium right now. This is our power source right now. We have 3 ignium burners going. We're going to run back this way. There is, if we take a look at the map, there's a nice big body of water here we can use for the boiler. There is some water on the left side of the map over here too, but I think it makes more sense to use this over here. So let's go take a look at it. It's not too far. There's a little river here that we can probably widen and make it more usable. But if we need more water, there is a huge body of water over here. So let's build a platform over here and build some usable space and put down a platform, and then we'll start working on the steam and the boiler. So I think we're going to use this height here, this platform. That way we don't have too much digging to do. All I have to do is clean out these trees, and then we can hopefully pump the water up to here. So let's get this cleared out. Okay, so let's put the boiler down first. That is, let's see, that's the turbine. That's the burner. Here's the boiler here. So it's quite huge. Looks like steam comes out the back here. And water can flow in the sides here and here. So it looks like it could connect multiple of them up. We'll probably put another one over here. Let's put down the intake. That's this little guy right here. I don't know why it's in right here on the crafting menu. That goes there. Let's see if we can run some pipes up from it. Okay, so let's put one here. I don't know how high up we can go with it, but I guess we're about to find out. If you rotate it, there is a little sight glass window on there. Alright, there's the pipe connected. If you hold down the right mouse button, you can select different pipe types. So, super nice. We got the boiler down. Let's go ahead and see if we can put down the steam turbine. It is ginormous. Let's see if we can figure out which. Looks like steam goes in this direction. And it is, let's see, it's going to be hard to place. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wide. Let's just go ahead and put it down there, I guess. It is the same width. No, let's see. Yep, same width as the boiler, so that's nice. It does line up very nice. So we should just have to put these down here. And that'll connect the steam up once we get the steam going. And we'll have to figure out a way to get... I'm going to use ignium in here, I think, to burn, see if that works. It's missing fuel. Let's grab ignium from up here. Okay, so let's throw a loader on here. This, I have the splits in case we want to throw another boiler in. We're going to get one up and running and see how it works before we put more down. And if this works the same way as it used to, we had to put down these power poles. I don't know how far they can stretch. And then we needed like a transformer. So these steam turbines put out high voltage, and all of these machines use low voltage. So we have to put down a little transformer. There's no grid connection, so we gotta run some wires, I believe. Oh, there's a spaceship up there. Wonder if that's what we have to repair. So that is connected. If we just click this, we can drag a power pole. Looks like they don't go very far. Alright, so that's all connected now. I'm gonna see what happens if I cut this off. And that'll take a while to get down there. But hopefully it gets down there before the base runs out of power. Moment of truth. Missing fuel, so I guess that's not going to work. That seems to work. Did burn it. There is steam in the line now. Why is this not working? No power. Oh, it's got to have power. So let's see if we can jump start it. And actually what we'd have to do is put down a another transformer here. That will power the loaders and stuff. I think these things have a limit of how many connections they can have. Alright, so now that should work. We just gotta jump start it again. I put biomass in there, but I guess that's fine. So it looks like now it divides the transformers out into batches here. So this is the main power grid that we have back at the base. And this little one is this second transformer we just put down by, that's only supplying this little platform here. Steam turbine, 3.6 megawatts, so quite a bit. Let's go take a look at the other burners. These have all but stopped running. You can see the fuel's not going down at all. So current output is 0. So it is definitely prioritizing the higher powered, more efficient power source. So we also unlocked mineral rock. We can scan for it now. Looking at the map, there's some right underneath my factory here. Right there. I think it's like right here. Yeah, we're staying on top of it, so we're gonna have to get down to that to make concrete. Concrete is gonna be used in the next science pack. It requires cement, gravel, and water. Cement uses mineral rocks and xenoferrite ore, and this gravel uses mineral rocks. So we're gonna have to get down to that. I've unlocked explosives. I'm gonna try to explode this, but I hope it doesn't blow up my factory. And I think I need the There's a remote somewhere, the explosives detonator. Fire in the hole. Wow, that's nice. I don't think explosives blow up the material, so we're going to keep blowing our way down there and see what happens. Oh, it did blow up our stuff. Look at that. That's crazy. Alright, so I'll have to fix that. We'll have to be careful. Make sure we blow our area up before. Gosh, that was pretty far down there too. Where is the... There it is there. So I'll have to figure out how to get down there and stuff. Alright, so now look at him started on the digging it up. Built a nice little zigzag up the side here so we can get gravel up top. Comes out right here. And we need xenoferrite, so that is over here. So maybe we'll build the concrete in here. It's going to kind of get in the way of expanding the factory if we expand this stuff, but I don't know. Should be fine. Now concrete also requires water, so there is no water nearby. So I guess we're going to have to run all the way over to here and bring over a pipe. See how far it is. It's quite far. But let's try it. I'm gonna run a pipe over. Pipe from way over there. It comes underneath the bus over here. Across the gap. And over to our concrete area. So this is the gravel. This is to be the water. We'll need some crushers in here. I guess we'll just do 2 and 2 for now, just to get it up and running. These two will be making cement. And these two will be making gravel. And then we'll put we need a casting machine, I guess it's called, this thing here, to make concrete. We'll put that here, making concrete. So let's get all that hooked up. Okay, so that's all hooked up. We're making a small amount of concrete now. Water apparently has to come in from this side, so I had to flip the machine around. I don't like having the panel on this side, but it does not allow water in this side, so something to think about from a design perspective. That's gonna do it for this episode. We got new power done and a concrete plant done, so good stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.